Here is how you can save offline maps on Google Maps on the iPhone. So before we begin, make sure you are subscribed to this channel so you never miss videos like these in the future. Essentially, what you gotta do is to make sure you have the Google Maps installed. So open it up like this, and now if you want to start using the maps offline, you need to tap on your name or like your picture right here, and then one of the options is called offline maps. So go ahead and tap on this. And as you can see, I already have like two places on the map downloaded. So I have this like map one, which you can see it is like part of this like city and whatever, right? So this is what I currently have. But in case I want to add or to download some more places on the map for offline use, I just gotta tap on this first thing at the top. And now I am in this map view. Essentially, I have this rectangle, which is essentially the border of what exactly I'm going to save on the map. So I can zoom in and out. I can choose like a different city. I can just go, it's not like I can save the entire like continents and stuff. So it's going to be much smaller. There's definitely a limit, but you can save some areas of the map, right? So if you choose like a random city in here, you can pretty much save the entire stuff, right? So you can click on download and it's going to be saved to the map. The other important thing in here is to know that it is going to expire by default. It is going to be in a year from now, and that is because it might need to be updated after that time, right? So when you download the map, it's not like you download every single review of every restaurant, but all of the streets and everything's going to be there. But naturally, it kind of changes over time. So you either make sure you update your apps, the map selections constantly, or delete it and re-download it again for offline use to make sure you always have the latest, the most up-to-date information in terms of the map. So that's